Welcome, and let me show you how to roll risotto rice balls. Have ready your leftover risotto and small pieces of cheese. Put 3 bowls of flour, beaten egg, and panko breadcrumbs. First thing you're going to do is going to get a bit of risotto and make a small depression in it to put the cheese. Then cover the cheese and roll it into a nice ball as shown. Next thing is the breading. So first you're going to roll the ball in the flour. Make sure it's nicely covered on all sides. Then shake it off a bit and dip it into the It's taking a while. I'm taking a while to do this. I want to be sure that it's really there. Okay, here we go. We're going to do this. Okay, shake it. See? Now, dip it in the egg. Don't worry about getting your fingers dirty. You can wear gloves for this, believe me. It's much nicer if you wear gloves. Okay, and get that all nicely covered. And then you're going to put it into the panko breadcrumbs and make sure it's all nicely covered. Don't pay any attention to the man behind the curtain, or in this case, the computer behind the curtain. If you're wondering what that green thing is, it's something my son made for me. Okay, then you're going to put it down, and you're going to finish the rest of the rice balls and enjoy. Okay, have fun.